Hey guys, welcome to another video. On this tutorial, I will be showing you how to download, install, and set up the Wii and Nintendo Gamecube emulator Dolphin to your PC. First and foremost, go to the official Dolphin website. It's linked in the description. Click on the big blue button. You will then be greeted to a page full of download links. You can decide between the beta version or the development version. Me personally, I will choose the beta version. After you installed it, the file will be on your desktop. Most people face the problem of this error and can't therefore open the program. The solvement is easy, just go back to the website and click on this. After that, just scroll down and download all of this links. It's different for what helps your PC. The files ain't huge, and it takes less than 30 seconds to install them. After that, you should be good. For the configuration, it should be left on default, as Dolphin apply the best settings for your computer. But if there is anything you want to turn on or off, you can do it. Same for the graphics. For the controller, you can use keyboard or mouse or connect any controller that supports Bluetooth, like the PS4 controller, Wii U Pro controller, or the Nintendo Wii controller. Just open up Bluetooth settings. As you see here, I have connected multiple controllers. But for the video's sake, I will remove this PS4 controller and show you how easy it is to connect. Just press on the PS4 controller, the home button, and the share button until the controller flicks. And for other devices, put it in pairing mode. Now when you go to set up your controller, your PS4 controller should be an option to use. And it works perfectly. Just set up the controller the way you would like it. Now open the game and enjoy. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.